You do not know how to do intros.
They took that trending moment, made it into a 15-seconder.
So now what they're looking for is more of purpose-driven brands. Are they standing for something? Do they have something?
Nice.
Oh my God!
Very
No,
nice.
no. Vedanti, wait. This ad. She watched it for the first time.
You open your YouTube, you
they-
have an ad for Make Ads Great Again.
Yes, it's not just a sport. It was a religion. It still is. But influencer market के style पे नहीं था.
नहीं है.
I love it. I love when Vedanti brings out the branding elements and the
Yeah.
designer in her.
The designer
comes out.
has
Love
an
it.
eye for a different. They just pick up different things. So no, that was
Let's
looking
see.
fine actually.
Hi Janvi. Hi Viji.
Hi.
क्या हाल है?
Hi, Harsh. How are you?
Happy belated Women's Day
Oh, thank you.
to the two women
Oh,
on
yeah.
this call.
I was waiting for
Thank
you
Parikshit is
you.
to.
not a gentleman. Parikshit is never a gentleman when it comes to these things.
I wanted to do it together, dude. You ruined the surprise. To know our today's guest a little bit better, she is currently doing her MBA with Masters Union, and she's also been a creator in the world of marketing and advertising. We've seen a lot of her content. Like I shared on the group as well. She's been breaking down a lot of keywords, campaigns, some interesting concepts, how people are looking at reaching out to people, and that is somewhat something that we're also trying to do. We're trying to create this ecosystem where marketing and advertising is not entirely alien to most people, and we're trying to understand how people are also looking at reaching more people. And now that there are many different tools available to each one of us, we're also trying, we're all creators. Like, oh yeah, congratulations, we're all creators. Like I was telling Janvi before also, I used to work in advertising. I worked at quite a few different companies, and then I pivoted to a different direction altogether. Like Vedanti has already mentioned, she's working running her own agency, Markenzo worldwide. And Harsh is a very interesting individual. He's worked at many different places, and now I believe he is also working towards building and running his agency. So Harsh, do you want to tell us a little bit?
You do not know how to do intros. If somebody put a gun on your head and give an introduction, you will not be able to give an introduction.
I think I did.
How about that, Vedanti? Correct assessment?
Somebody see my background. Has it changed?
Yeah.
Oh my God! But I was roasting. Couldn't you just say yes and just then
Yes,
talk
yes.
about it?
Yes to what Harsh said.
तो अलगे फ्रॉड चल रहा है
Parikshit
Sorry.
does not
See,
know how to
she
do
proved
good
my
introduction.
point. She proved my point.
No. She's like a big sister to you. She'll always come back and defend you. So, Janvi Shukla,
Yes.
5,000 Instagram followers, more than 185 posts, and content every other day. What is up with that? See, that's how you do an introduction, Parikshit.
most violent, the most diabolical, the most dangerous, a beast slayer, a conqueror's conqueror, the goat of all goats, ultimate needle mover, the head of the table, the tribal chief, in God mode himself.
You want me
No.
to start? She's a better brand strategist than you will ever be. You want me to start? She's a designer. You want me to start? Her content is actually getting views.
Okay.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Don't
dude, come on.
demotivate
We have
Manan
to.
so much. He'll just leave this meeting now.
We're trying to pull this podcast off. Like we're on the same team, bro.
माफ करना मैं इधर
तमीज से।
उससे मैं इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ
I mean, you do need more, but yeah, you've gained a follower, and I see you also have a dog.
Yes.
What's his name? Atagit. Hi.
Simba.
Yeah.
Hi, Janvi.
Janvi, can you hear us?
Yeah. So I was saying I have a Labrador. His name is Simba.
All of you have pets, man. Like,
Yeah, and you have a
We have-
Lamborghini, I think.
And we have you as another pet now. Parikshit.
इतना चुभने लगा हूँ सबको
Parikshit, are you more dog energy or cat energy?
I mean, if I wanted to get a pet, I would definitely get a dog.
No, but what are you? The question is, what are you?
I'm a dog, dude. Like, no way I'm associating myself to a cat. Like, I bark and I bite and I like all that stuff. I have that dog inside me.
You are an equivalent to a husky.
No.
You like singing also.
Yes, of course.
Now I know, Harsh, why you like it.
Today is actually a special episode day because I have some really nice ads lined up, and we will have a look at how ads in cricket have progressed over the years. Because 10 years ago, people took something that was trending and how they made ads around that time. This was before the era of Instagram really picking up trends. So
ध्यान से देखो है सट अप नजर सामने है अब पैर यहाँ अब कस के पकड़ जम के जकड़ लगा समझे चलो करो
कस के पकड़ जम के जकड़ लगा कस के पकड़ लगा और जम के जकड़ लगा
बहुत बढ़िया अब वहाँ पे भी ऐसे ही करना है
कस के पकड़ जम के जकड़ लगा
The official sponsor of
the helicopter shot.
Hold on, Tarik.
Wow, man. Pepsi. No. Shucks. Sachin. मैं कौन हूँ?
Esquito gay.
मैं कहाँ हूँ? मैं कौन हूँ? तुम एक लाजवाब cook हो. Cook? You've made more than 30 sensational recipes. Really? The most famous cook in Honolulu. Honolulu. Let's go. Ayla, plane?
Chalo, bye, mate.
Have a good flight, man. अरे मेरे पेप्सी.
Where are you going? Oh, Praji.
भाई सच्ची
चार तो Honolulu.
पका दिया ना?
Hey भाई साहब, कहीं पेप्सी मिलेगा? This is a cricket ground. Okay.
Pepsi.
Hey, players only. Chop, foot leg. Okay. Yes. Sachin. Morning, sir. Excuse me? Excuse. Huh? Hey, Sachin, क्या ढूंढ रहा है? हाँ? सौरभ. मिले. सौरभ?
मैडम सचिन, you're on.
On? Hi, Sachin. Sachin. I'll take it from here. Thanks. Thanks. All the best.
So good.
I like this.
बचपन याद आ गया. Janu,
Oh my
have you
god.
seen these?
Why don't they do
Have you
this
seen all
anymore?
these?
No, I'm
Make
watching
ads
for the
great
first
again,
time.
please. This was nice.
Oh my god!
Very
No, Vedanti. Wait. This ad. She watched it for the first time. Janvi watched it
Even
for the
I
first
watched it
time.
for the first time. Even I
What
watched
the
it for the first time. I haven't watched it.
Parikshit, is
Yeah, I
it
think
us?
these are very
Like ये हमारा
It's-
age gap because we were grown or into this?
yeah, I think since we were so heavily into cricket and these ads would possibly be shown in between matches, है ना हर
Yeah, back then I did not.
And you know something I realized, and I realized by reading an article I wrote on my LinkedIn, which is amazing. So whoever decides to stalk me, go read that article also. Cricket is built for advertising. You know why? Because there's एक ओवर bowling डालते हैं, फिर ad, फिर एक ओवर bowling डालते हैं, फिर ad. So it's like it's a gold mine for anybody who's trying to build ads, and that's why the IPL is now sort of the Super Bowl of India, right? Because Every
Agreed,
ad is
agreed.
now looking to launch at the Super Bowl. All the ad money, all the ad spend, attention, everything is there. So going back to the first two ads that we looked at, the first one was Dhoni, where he was doing the shot that he was extremely famous for. सचिन ने कितनी अच्छी एक्टिंग करी यार. You guys-
He was really good.
He was so
There
good.
is
They took that trending moment, made it into a 15-seconder. That was like so tight.
So good.
Tight.
So good.
And then they
ये
did
वो
it.
टाइम का टॉपिकल था.
ये वो टाइम का टॉपिकल था जब टॉपिकल लोगों को समझ नहीं आता था कि ट्रेंड और टॉपिकल क्या होता है. एटलीस्ट द एडवर्टाइजर्स वर डूइंग इट नाइसली.
क्या जाने?
continue, Chami. Sorry.
Yes. So I was saying, do you guys think कि उस time पे celebrity endorsements and having celebrities in ads worked much better than it does now? I mean, cricketers works today also. I mean, cricketers का तो चलता है. But I have seen slowly celebrity endorsements, especially if that celebrity is doing everything, like all type of ads. If someone is doing Pepsi also and then health related stuff also. So I don't think people really trust such brands or such ads. So do you guys think that it is declining or is it the same?
This is all influencer bubble. What we are going through right now is a huge bubble, and it's bloating and bloating and bloating right now, and I'm waiting for it to burst.
I just wanted to like bring out a point that right now it's a bubble, right? Because there's so many of them and all of them at the amount that they're charging. But what Janvi is saying, that would you buy a product associated with an Amitabh Bachchan or Sachin or Shah Rukh? I would, yes. I know that they at that time they did make it cooler. A Mahendra Singh Dhoni endorsing a Pepsi made it cooler.
I think the choice of your celebrity also is a very, very important decision that brands need to take today. If someone is promoting a lot of stuff, I think they're not the right person. And I remember this one ad by Urban Company. So we had studied this as a case also in our MBA. And there were a lot of discussion by the Urban Company team that whether they should take Ayushmann Khurrana or R. Madhavan. These were the two people that they had in mind. And they went with Ayushmann Khurrana and not R. Madhavan because he came from a lower caste or something of that sort. And Urban Company का ad थोड़ा empowerment पे था for their workers and everything. So all these decisions have to be taken. I think it's very important that you pick the right celebrity. Only then the job gets done. And from my personal experience, if I speak from my childhood, there were these two brands, Boost, Bournvita. And दोनों का बहुत different approach था in terms of the ads. Boost had all these cricketers and stuff. I'm sure that worked very well. I know my friends also had Boost. My brother also had Boost because, cricketers usme aane and stuff like that. I personally like the Bournvita ads a lot. I think they were selling this aspiration. They were showing your day to day. मतलब mother-daughter का कुछ मतलब तैयारी जीत की and stuff like that. So I think storytelling मतलब हमें ये भी तो देखना है कि budget क्या है campaign का. These celebrities charge a lot. So if you're able to do storytelling well, you're winning there as well. कि आपको कोई शायद celebrity लाना ही ना पड़े and आप relatable बना सको उस चीज को as much as possible.
बूस्ट और बॉर्नविटा जो भी उनका मार्केटिंग क्लेम्स तभी के टाइम पे होते थे वो ऐसे भी झूठ थे.
हाँ मतलब अब तो कोई वो नहीं है बट मैं बस बता रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं बाय करती थी बॉर्नविटा एंड नॉट बूस्ट बिकॉज़ आई लाइक
काश रियलिटी वेदांती को उसको बचपन में बता देते उसकी हाइट बढ़ जाती.
You're talking about Complan. You're talking about Complan. Shut up.
She got sold by the Complan.
हाइट बढ़ाने की जल्दी है मम्मी को बोलो कॉम्प्लान भी पिलाए.
There have been times where World Cup के समय cricket was not just a sport, it was a religion. It still is, but influencer market के style पे नहीं था. The aura behind these people, the particular people in these ads, be it Sachin, be it Shah Rukh, be it Dhoni, be it Sangakkara, be it Dilshan, be it Sehwag, there was an aura because they were not as exposed as today's cricketers are.
True, that's true.
Vedanti, don't you agree? The exposure is too much now that it
A
becomes that it
I
becomes,
agree with that.
Yeah,
Fatigue,
there is
right? Fatigue.
Yeah.
A lot of celebrity fatigue happening basically. Overexposure of all of these folks. I mean, if you go to Virat's Instagram today, you will barely find any posts to do with him as a person. Or
No. For that, he has his wife's Instagram page. It's okay.
No, Yeah, whatever that meant. But literally every other post is an ad. You've seen so much of Virat. I know
I
Parishit doesn't mind
remember,
it. But yeah.
I remember Virat Kohli also being the brand ambassador of this edtech company, Great Learning. So I think it was not a very good pick. I mean, edtech ke liye they could have taken anyone, but I think because Byju's was doing
I have
Shah
a,
Rukh Khan.
I have
which?
something as well,
Oh
but
yeah,
yeah.
go ahead.
Take the same brand, take the same celebrities. 1999 versus 2025. Why is it not working out, basically? What are some of the factors, top three factors you all think the same people or the same brands are unable to pull the same quality of, or the storytelling that we're talking about?
I feel like now cricket as a sport is big, it's huge, it's going to be amazing in India, it's going to work for 20 more years, but it will lose its charm in the top tier of the market. We knew there was a Sachin Tendulkar, we knew the Dhoni, then we knew Virat Kohli. We don't know who's next. Some people will say that okay, it could be a Shubman Gill, it could be a Hardik Pandya, but the reason why I also agree with Harsh's statement that influencer market is bloated right now, I will tie it back to your point. The reason why ads are not blowing up as much is because the celebrity culture sort of is going down with the, like you all also mentioned. You know what happened recently? I was walking down the street and I saw a celebrity. I don't want to name that celebrity, and I did not feel the need to go up to even say hi, what's up, because they're a relatively new celebrity, you could say. That's, I think, what is changing is the entire celebrity culture is changing with the way media has changed over the years, because being famous and having fans are two different things now. I believe in the past it was slightly different, where if you're famous you have fans, and when I say fans I mean people will run up to you on the streets and be like, oh, can I get a picture? That is, I
Is
think,
why Shah Rukh Khan also said that he's the last of the stars, right?
I agree, yeah, that's
And
the
and
thing.
he's absolutely right about that. Shah Rukh and Amitabh, people still flock outside their homes every Sunday, every day, or whatever that is, every Eid, every Diwali. You don't get to see that outside any other celebrity homes. I mean, at least I'm talking about Bollywood. I'm sure other,
I think people will continue having these celebrities and liking them or being their fans, etc. I think that will not end. But from the branding perspective, I think people have just understood that these people are not actually using these products. I mean, there's so much people are talking about transparency and stuff. So now what they're looking for is more of purpose-driven brands. Are they standing for something? Do they have something? So obviously, some collaborations really are good. I mean, Ranveer Singh and Super You, perfect combination. Then there's Slurp Farm and Anushka Sharma. It's like a kids nutrition brand. So I think कि only celebrity, just getting a celebrity and then पहले ऐसा होता था कि बस एक celebrity ले आओ and their job is done. That comes to them, and also from the brand's perspective, a lot of thought needs to go into which kind of celebrity they're getting.
I hate that.
Also,
I
the
hate
two
that
brands
about
that you
the industry.
mentioned, Janvi, the two brands that you mentioned, Super You and Slurp,
Both
again,
of them are investors, yeah.
Yeah.
But again, a very good collaboration is what I'm saying.
Yeah. I agree with that.
So, so Janvi, you're suggesting that personality jaisi ho वैसा make an ad.
I agree with that, and I loved the two examples brands that she mentioned, because I remember when Anushka started promoting Slurp, and I don't know, I vaguely remember she started talking about children, to do with food that's really nutritious to them, what she believes in, and she was a new mother back then.
I will buy
Immediately
Slurp.
something, yeah, 100. I have bought Slurp.
If
I mean, I
Anushka
think
trusts, I will
some
buy
of the
Slurp.
products, I'm not sure if it's meant for only children or whatever, but I remember buying like some millet dosa or something, or I don't know what. But
Amazing!
Super You also, I agree with that, because to one of you, when you all were talking about how people want to be Virat, look like him. Ranveer also, people want to look like him. He has a certain, body, aspirational fitness goals going on. So that way it fits, and also the packaging and just Ranveer itself. I feel like the personalities of the brand and the celebrity really sort of synced. So it really works for. They're selling off, man.
She
I mean,
loves
on
Ranveer
right
Singh.
now.
She loves Ranveer
No,
Singh.
sure.
Even
I mean,
See, I agree. I think the brand
I love Super You also, guys. I love Super You.
it
Please try the
portrays
strawberry flavor. It's
personality.
amazing.
हाँ.
उसको सांस तो लेने दे बे.
Getting more it's like, why does everything have to hurt you so much? If Virat Kohli goes on and does an ad for something like, these guys used to do Seagram's Royal Stag ads, all of that is gone. All the cricketers doing ads for alcohol brands is done.
That's the age we're in, right, Parikshit? Even a tweet
Yeah.
you sort of send out, it blows out of proportion. So that's where we're at. So the stakes are way too high for a celebrity like that.
Yes, the debate of where does free speech end, how do you get judged on what gets boycotted, whether this is okay or not, that is agreed. I agree to that. But I feel like a certain level of risk taking in ads has also gone down because of that reason, because of possibly thinking of, do I want to go outside the box and do something, which Harsh has something to say.
You open your phone, you have an ad. You just turn on Google, you have an ad. You turn on your TV, you have an ad. You open any app, you have an ad.
You open your YouTube,
be
you
it-
have an ad for Make Ads Great
Yes.
स्टाइल है बाबू भैया.
खुद
I like the
अटक गया,
energy.
if I'm not wrong.
Land नहीं किया ठीक है, but I like the energy.
जब हम लोग छोटे थे इतने एड्स नहीं दिखते थे यार. इतने भी एड्स इतना बॉम्बार्ड नहीं होते थे, बी इट क्रिकेटर बी इट स्पोर्ट्स. We were at me and my father were at Wankhede Stadium and we were coming out of an IPL match और वो टीम ना स्पोर्ट्स टीम पूरी की पूरी बस में बैठ के they were going towards Trident and I was like पापा चलो चलो we'll go at Trident and we'll be like hi देखते उनको. My dad's like why? And the only disadvantage that they have or any influencer for that matter has is that whatever they do as work they do it in the public. In the end, they are only humans. I will connect a Shubman Gill for my Coke, or I will connect a Virat Kohli for my Tootsie, or I will connect a Rohit Sharma for my Vada Pav. But yeah.
You're hurting Janvi's feelings right now. You're supposed
Sorry.
to be
Even
nice
I'm
to
a
our
Rohit
guests.
Sharma guy. Even I'm a Rohit Sharma guy. But yeah.
The next ad has to be with Rohit Sharma.
Oh, it is actually. It is.
Oh, nice.
But
Coming
Jahnavi,
back
we
to
got
the
you.
Pepsi ad.
Ixigo.
But
Can
yeah.
we-
There's an
Can we-
Ixigo ad also with Rohit Sharma. I recently saw in the movie hall. It's very
Rohit Sharma
funny.
is doing a lot of ads, like no denying
Yeah,
that
yeah.
also. But yeah, like what Harsh was also saying, before we move on to the next segment, it's more about the tonality and what they were building at that time, the entire campaign that they were trying to push through, the way they were communicating, and how it's, even though it was a brand awareness, another thing that I felt like we did not really cover, like what, of course they were taking cricketers and doing good ads at the time, but another thing to notice would be in the ads they've established the product very quickly. Like in the Shah Rukh Khan ads, he comes in and says Pepsi milegi kya? That's the first dialogue, that's the first thing they established. In the Dhoni ad, again, they haven't really established Pepsi in the beginning, but it's a 15-seconder, and in the end they did something really genius where they've said official sponsor of the helicopter shot. That is a big statement. And then the one
Yes,
with Sachin Tendulkar and the other two cricket kept the whole entire creative loop extremely cool and funny. They made sure the product is the center and it's loud and it's there and the ad is centered around the product. So for that reason, I feel like
Also, there's one last point to what you just said. I don't know if you all noticed, but throughout, the blue color is in your face, through and through. Blue. That was something that was very evident.
I love it. I love when Vedanti brings out the branding elements and the
Yeah.
designer in her.
The
comes
designer
out.
has
Love
an
it.
eye for a different, they just pick up different things. So the way you build the ad still made sure all the elements were intact. So for me, I would go with a solid 9. I'm going for a 9 because now the brand is Boke. That's why I'm taking that one. It's not a 10 for you.
Same, even
9.
I'll give a 9. I think everything
9,
was
yeah.
very well covered.
But you have to tell us why you're taking that one mark away. I like.
I
Come on.
think it worked at a point and it will not work now. So And it was
Actually,
your
I'll give it a
emotional
10.
storytelling
I'll give it a
element was
10.
lava.
She doesn't
Matlab,
want to give an
I
answer.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to give an answer. Vedanti does not have a good answer for this. I am giving it an 8 in particular is because this is my childhood. The reason why I'm cutting the 2 is I know that I wouldn't be able to make the same ad, say about 5 years down the line. The same ads 5 years down the line. And it's like a self-deprecating and not the brand's problem. 5 साल बाद अगर हम लोग ये पॉडकास्ट कर रहे रहेंगे और हम लोग हमारे पॉडकास्ट को यही सेम एड्स अगर हम लोग वापस रेट कर रहे हैं, probably और कम होगा. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be at least a point or 2 less. Vedanti is still going to be at a 10 because she is a 60-year-old at heart. In her head, she's a 60-year-old. So उसको nostalgia factor हमेशा चलता है. But
Okay, any last thoughts on this ad or should we...
जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Okay, that was on that note, I think we can wrap today's episode. That are not around cricket, they've also involved with cricketers acting as celebrities and celebrities acting as cricketers. Cricket is all around us and we cannot deny it. And cricket as a sport is made for advertisers because you have 2 minutes of cricket and then 30 seconds of ad. So what a wonderful sport to be in. Anybody wants to shoot a cricket ad with us, please feel free to DM. We love cricket. We love Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill. So anybody wants to sponsor us, I'll take a spin in my car and reach you right there. Thank you, Janvi, for joining us. What was your experience like? And anything you'd like to say before we say goodbye?
I really like the concept that, as I said in the starting also, I mean, people talk about a lot of reaction videos on YouTube, etc. But why not add, I mean, so many brands are putting so much effort, there's so much in marketing and advertising. It's changing very rapidly, like every new year something new is coming, so people lose track of what's going on right now. So this was really nice. I saw a lot of new ads today. I haven't seen most of them before. So I really like the overall concept and I really enjoyed it as well.
And you can follow
social-
Janvi.
Yes.
And you can follow Janvi with
Yeah.
at Create with Janvi on Instagram. She is doing a great job. She's trying to tell stories that are actually not very common to hear about.
That's true.
And other than that, you can follow her again, Create with Janvi. Thank you so much, Janvi, for joining us. And we hope to get you back on the podcast one more time. And let's see, and let's try to figure out more things to do together.
Yes, yes. That was a great outro. Please remember to follow our channel, like, share, subscribe, reach out to Vedanti, Harsh, Janvi, and you can listen to my music. It's out now, Bhanja Music.
जब मैं क्लब में घुसता हूँ पीछे से आवाजें आती चार्ली चार्ली चार्ली.
Thank you, guys.
Take care.
Bye.
Stay hydrated.
Bye-bye,
Play some
bye-bye.
cricket. Bye bye.